agriculture plays a vital role, and farmers, the backbone of our economy, work hard day and night in all seasons, and at the end of it settle for lesser price for their own produce.
It is shocking to know that a high proportion of the food that India produces never reaches the consumers.
It is worth noticing that India ranks second in the agricultural output. But why is it so that India ranks 68th out of the 78 hungriest countries?
Food worth $8.3 billion or 40% of the total value of annual production is wasted.
As a result, fruits and vegetables have prices twice than they should be. Food price inflation is more than 10% since 2008 to 9, and due to which the farmers have suffered the most.
मेरा नाम हर्ष चौहान है और मैं नोएडा में अपना फार्मिंग करता हूँ। मेरा कम से कम 20 बीघे का एक फार्म है। जो हमारी फसल तैयार हो जाती है तो हमें इसे बेचने के लिए हमें मंडी जाना होता है, और जब हम उसे मंडी में लेके जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे मीडिएटर होते हैं, वो अपने प्राइस पे ख़रीदते हैं। जो एक्चुअल प्राइस होना चाहिए मार्केट में, जो जिस रेट से बिकना चाहिए उससे नहीं बिकता है। फसल टाइम से नहीं बिकती है और बिक भी जाती है तो टाइम से हमें पैसा नहीं मिल पाता है उसका। फार्मर्स के पास अपना इतना स्पेस होता नहीं है जो उसको स्टोर कर सके, तो उसको मीडिएटर को ही बेचना होता है। डायरेक्ट कंज्यूमर को बेचेगा या डायरेक्ट कस्टमर को बेचेगा तो उसको अच्छा बेनिफिट मिल सकता है। हमारी फसल का पूरा दाम मिलेगा तो फिर हम फार्मिंग पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे।
Why are you wasting food? You can donate it through Feed Plus.
Feed Plus is an initiative to give price advantage to the farmers and fight food wastage at both producer and consumer level, thereby helping India grow healthier and wealthier.
The consumers can get fresh farm goods at cheaper rates as compared to the market price. The farmer can schedule their sales at Feed Plus. By doing so, they will be prevented from stress sales and can overcome the problem of storage.
By making transactions through our app, the hotels, NGOs and other organizations can get a CSR rating or some goodwill points which will help for their promotion. Through our app, Feed Plus will help farmers to not only earn profits by excluding the mediator or middleman, but also to sell their produce at their own prices or rates after comparing them at e-money.
For the maintenance of our app and to sustain it, we will have to generate revenue, which can be done in the following ways.
Prompt users at checkout to pay ₹1 to Feed Plus.
Charge subscription fee from the NGOs and conduct social drives in hotels.
We can also generate revenue through advertisements.
If the user doesn't want to see advertisement, he or she can pay to block ads.
Revenue can even be generated through Feed Plus certification to provide credibility to buyers and sellers.
Can also be generated through transactional fees.
The adoption of online marketplace will reduce post-harvest loss and waste of food.
Not only this, our app is very convenient for the farmers as they can easily register through 2 simple steps by clicking on sign in and then entering the 12-digit Aadhaar number.
Farmers, entrepreneurs,
engage, donate.
Feed Plus. Let's revalue farming.